Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to make our star block for the, what's it called? The Beatrice quilt along. So we're making this piece right here. We've already made all of our half square triangles. So now we've got all our pieces cut because we did that in the first week. And now we're just going to put them all together. So we are going to lay it out. Obviously we'll do it one block at a time. But we're going to lay out our four corners. My big stack of squares here. Lay that to the side, and then we'll lay out our middle piece, which is our dark one. And then the half square triangles that we need. And they will go in the shape of a pinwheel to form a star. So they're going to go opposite if you look at that. So now we're just going to sew them together in 2 rows. I'll do these two, these two, these two, cut it off, and then I'll go back down through. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be back in just a minute. Alright, so now I've got, let's move this out of the way. I don't need it, hopefully. I've got my 3 rows. I'm going to cut them apart. And now I am going to iron to the solid block, which means the middle is ironed to the inside, the middle row, and the top and bottom are going to be ironed to the outside, which is the lighter block and is frowned upon, but also whatever. It'll be fine. And we're just setting the seam and then pressing it. So now we'll lay it out, and your top and bottom will look the same, but one will be, you're just going to flip one over. And then the middle will look the same no matter how you do it. And since we have ironed them opposite ways, we will just fold it over and nest the seams. We'll pin at the seams and at the end is where I like to pin. And I'll pin at the beginning because I'm going to lay this to the side because I have already done this part. Let me lay that to the side, and then I did do that part already, and I iron these to the top and bottom because there's less bulk, but honestly it does not matter. And then we will do the same thing, except for I spin it around because I like to pin from the top here. And we will pin at the seam. And at the end. And the other seam. And I've already done this part too, so I'm going to pin at the beginning because then I will go sew it this week when I am working on it. But this is what your final block will look like. And you will have 12 of them when you're done. And we have a week to do it. So go at your own pace. You just have to put your little, you already did these, so we already have them together. And we'll have our star blocks at the end of the week. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're making it also. And if you'd like to join the Facebook group, my Facebook group, I would love to see pictures of yours or any blocks you're making. And I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.